brand new SoundForge Audio Studio 15, the complete audio editing solution. Record in high definition to produce professional sounding podcasts. Now even easier with remote recording. Edit audio files quickly and easily using 64-bit power on up to 6 channels. Now with new instant action and context menu extension features. Digitize your vinyls and cassettes. Add the final touches to your music with a range of professional effects, such as the brand new Wizard Effects Suite. Master your music with iZotope Ozone 9 for high-quality streaming and CD results. More flexible, more efficient. SoundForge Audio Studio 15.